Sunday, November 19th, 33rd Sunday in Ordinary Time, World Day of the Poor. Focus. To one he gave 5 talents, to another 2, to another 1, to each according to his ability. My father was a skilled musician, and many pupils were trained by him. I too learned music from him along with my brothers. I had a natural talent, but once I joined college, I gave up music. I will always regret doing so. I knew I had a God-given gift, yet I let it be buried like the third servant did. God has endowed us with intelligence as well as with many natural abilities and skills which we are called to work on, improve, and use for His greater glory. He gifts every person in accordance with his knowledge of his or her capacity, so that they are able to bear and profit by it. No one can say they are neglected in this generous distribution, as everything we possess is a gift from God. No one can say they are neglected in this generous distribution, as everything we possess is a gift of God. God does not bless people with identical or equivalent gifts, nor does He expect similar results. But each of us has God-given talents to share. We are privileged that He has entrusted us with many abilities and provided resources and opportunities to use them, just as the 3 servants were. However, which one out of the 3 servants am I? Fruit. Is there a hidden or evident talent in me that I could use for God and to serve others, especially the needy? Am I willing to be generous with it?